Hey, what's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I got here a very box from Hobby Wang, and this is my pre-order of the Lynx model kit. So it has a very large box here, as you can see. It's very tall compared with the average master grade boxes here, and this is very heavy. So much heavy, like the Bavarian that I recently bought and built. So let's check this kit out, and let's see what this Lynx model kit 1/100 scale has to offer us collectors. So I'm very happy to receive this immediately, because pre-order from Hobby Wang always comes quickly in my doorstep. So thank you so much, Hobby Wang, for this very fast transaction, and you are always most recommended in my blog. So you guys buy Hobby Wang, very fast purchase. Okay, so let's go and let's check this kit out. So the box here is a bit dented, but it's okay. I'm not that fan of box arts, so it's okay that the box is a bit destroyed, as long as the contents are intact and not damaged. Okay, so we can see here this very nice silhouette of the Lynx, and I really like this kind of logo here on the shoulder armor, which has the lighthouse thing that written there. Okay, so as you can see there, it's lighthouse. It says that it's like a theme of this mecha suit. Okay, so on the side of the box here, we can see the front view and gimmicks for this kit. So it has this very large rifle, and it can pose on this manner, like crouching. And there we go, we got this missile effects. You can see the missile launch effects there, and the gun here, it reminds me of the gun of the Lycoris, which is very big as well. And there we go, we can see this kind of you can lift this big gun, and we got this kind of action base stand, and it can serve two purpose, action base, and at the same time the it's like the hangar for this kit. Okay, so there we go. The other side, we can see this picture same from the box art, and in the other side again, we can see the front view, this gun here, and this is what I like here. The gun can be stored on the back, so this is very nice feature for this kit. And it has this kind of support stand on the back if it needs to carry or utilize this big gun here. So there we go. In the action base, it can also stand on the side, and there we got the frame, the plastic frame there. So at first I thought this is a metal frame, but no, this is all made of plastic. And this one here, we got the pilot figure sitting inside the cockpit there. And so this is 1/100 scale here. These are the specs based on the Chinese manufacturer. And we got here the size and height of this kit. It's a bit 21.5 centimeters and 22.9 centimeters, so I cannot read that, so just translate it if you like to translate. And of course, this is from Sunday Hobby. So if we open the box here, or before we open that, let's again check this a manufacturer here. So this is the Blue Whale Sunday Hobby Studio. Okay, so very nice Sunday Hobby art Sunday Hobby Art Studio. Okay, so if we open the box here, Tron, and there we got so many packages. So there we got this pack here for the action base. There we got so many packs for the action base stand. This is for the hanger. And we got yellow parts here. Okay, we got this clear purple parts for the missile effect. And we got black parts for the to call this the inner frame, I presume. So the packs here, or the runners, are, I can compare it with the Titan model kit, the dominant Titan model kit, where the runners exactly look the same in presentation. So they made the runners this kind of large like that. So there we go, we got this action base stand parts, and there we got this kind of gray part. So this almost gray, all parts here. This for the, I think this one for the gun, if I'm not mistaken. And there we got the hanger parts. Okay, green parts. So the green is really cool. I like the color of the green here. It looks very militaristic. And gray parts here. So many gray parts. Okay, black parts. Okay. So there we go. Got so many packages here. And there we go, we got the gray parts for the hands. And finally we got the platform. So this is the platform. And platforms. And we got this water slide decals, which is very nice. As you can see, it's not that much compared with the other Chinese model kits, where it got a very huge water slide decal sheet, and this one it got only a small sheet here, which is nice. It's very easy to apply, so I might apply this water slide here. And we got this separated clear part, I think this one for the lens. Okay, so nothing more in the box. So let's check the instruction manual. So there we go, we got the REA-03 or the LYNX model kit from Sunday Hobby. And let's check the parts list. So it has so many parts, and judging the sequence of the manual here, it is not that hard to build, as I can check this. I hope this kit doesn't have any fitting issues, and if there would be, it's easy to do remedy by sanding and modification. And there we go, we got so many small parts here, so be careful when cutting and removing these small parts from the spruce or the runners, because it's very prone to be detached. So there, the parts here is some parts are very intricate, and we got this small pieces there, and again, be careful for that. Okay, so for the weapons here are very simple for me. So we got the rifle and we got the big gun. So it's like the licorice reminds me of that model kit. But the very star for this kit is the action base stand. So the action base stand is really massive for this. So I'm thinking if I'm whether to sell or utilize this action base stand, so it depends. Okay, so for this video I will not review all the runners, since the runners are really so many, so I might just take a runner here just to analyze the plastic quality. So there we go, we got here runner A. So I will start with this kind of runner because this is, I think this is for the connector pieces. And judging the quality of the plastic here, the plastic is not that brittle, not that hard, so it's in the middle quality. It's like in par with the Bandai, and I can't see any mold marks for this runner. So let's make some other parts and let's see if there will be mold marks, which is very rampant with the Bandai kits. So I hope this doesn't have that mold marks. So there we go, we are opening this green runner. So this runner here is runner S, and the runner, we can see this label here, LJ model, and there I can't see any flaws, but there we go. I'm taking back what I said because I can see now flaws here. So this is the mold marks, but still it's very good. The plastic is not that brittle, not that you know, the kind of Bandai plastic quality. This one is a bit thick. Okay, so let's go with the knobs here. So the pegs here. So the pegs are somehow good, doesn't have any excess trimmings or fillings like that, and most of this are undergated, so the plastics are undergated, which is very nice. Okay, so there we go. I might build this kit after I finish building the Nether Emperor, which is here. I'm still building the Nether Emperor. Okay, so there we go. I'm not yet finished with this guy here. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the LYNX, the REA-03 LYNX. So see you next time on the finished build. Night, God bless, take care.